Imagine having a small amount of capital and being able to participate in trades worth significantly more. This is the allure of leverage in Forex trading, an instrument that allows you to control large amounts of money with minimal upfront investment. But is this tool just a golden opportunity? The reality is that leverage can both multiply your profits and significantly amplify your losses. In this video, we'll explore the concept of leverage, its benefits, risks, and the best ways to use it safely. Chapter 1. What is leverage? Leverage is a financial tool that allows traders to access larger market positions using a smaller amount of capital. In Forex, brokers provide leverage options such as 1 to 10, 1 to 100, or even 1 to 500. For instance, if you have $100 and use 1 to 100 leverage, you can trade a position worth $10,000. Chapter 2. How does leverage work? Leverage is directly tied to margin. Margin is the portion of funds you need to keep in your account to open a trade. When using leverage, the broker uses this margin as collateral. Practical example: to trade a position worth $10,000. Without leverage, you'd need $10,000 in capital. With 1 to 100 leverage, you only need $100 in margin. This system enables you to trade larger positions with less money. However, while leverage can magnify your profits, it can also increase your losses proportionally. Chapter 3. The pros and cons of leverage. Leverage is a powerful tool, but like any tool, it has its advantages and disadvantages. Advantages. 1. Access to larger markets. Leverage enables you to participate in trades that would otherwise be out of reach. 2. Increased potential profits. If the market moves in your favor, your returns can be significantly higher. 3. Lower capital requirements. You don't need a large initial investment to start trading. Disadvantages. 1. Increased risk. Losses are also amplified, which can exceed your initial investment. 2. High stress levels. Small market movements can have significant impacts on leveraged trades, causing stress. 3. Margin calls. If a trade moves against you and your margin is insufficient, the broker can close your position. Chapter 4. How to use leverage safely. To use leverage safely, you must implement effective risk management strategies. Here are some key practices. 1. Choose lower leverage. While brokers may offer high leverage like 1 to 500, it's better to start with lower leverage, such as 1 to 10 or 1 to 20, to reduce overall risk. 2. Prioritize margin management. Always ensure you have sufficient margin in your account. This helps you avoid margin calls and stay in trades longer. 3. Limit trade sizes. Never risk your entire account on a single trade. A common rule is to risk only 1 to 2% of your capital per trade. 4. Use stop-loss orders. Stop-loss orders help you limit potential losses if the market moves against you. 5. Conduct thorough analysis. Before entering any trade, use both technical and fundamental analysis tools. A well-thought-out plan and accurate forecasts can help you avoid unnecessary losses. Chapter 5. Common mistakes traders make with leverage. 1. Overusing high leverage. One of the biggest mistakes new traders make is using extremely high leverage. While it might bring short-term gains, it often leads to long-term losses. 2. Ignoring margin calls. Some traders fail to monitor their margin levels, which can lead to account liquidation during adverse market movements. 3. Overlooking economic news. News events can cause rapid market shifts. Traders must stay informed about economic and political developments. Chapter 6. A real-life example of leverage in action. Imagine you have $1,000 and decide to use 1 to 100 leverage. This allows you to trade a position worth $100,000. If the market moves just 1% in your favor, You earn $1,000, doubling your initial capital. However, if the market moves 1% against you, you lose $1,000, wiping out your entire investment. This example highlights why risk management is crucial when trading with leverage. Conclusion: leverage, a powerful but dangerous tool. Leverage in Forex can create incredible opportunities for traders, but misuse can lead to devastating losses. To succeed, you must approach leverage with caution and a solid understanding of risk management. Remember, leverage is a double-edged sword. Only by managing its risks effectively can you unlock its potential rewards. Are you ready to use leverage safely and effectively in your trades?